Welcome back. Now that you've logged into Knowledge Forum, we have the opportunity to look at how we want to organize and display our ideas. And there's a number of different ways to do this, so I'll show you what I had produced when I wanted to display some of these ideas. So this is just a demo site that I had put together, but hopefully you get some ideas about things that you can try based on this video. So you can see at the top I created this banner which introduces the community itself. Below this I have a number of different icons or a number of different pictures. Now these can represent the different topics that are being discussed, and maybe the top topics that the students are working on. So this is grade 6 news, so these are news topics. So maybe there's lots of talk about Trump. Here maybe there was an airliner that went down. Here maybe some topics of racism came up. So you might have articles related to these posted near these pictures at the top. One of the things you'll notice is that I don't have tons of notes all over this view. So all of these here, we'll talk more about this later, but most of the work I'm trying to get onto other pages where this is a front-facing view that catches at a very high level what's going on. If I want to look into further detail, I can look at perhaps the recent news, and these are just links to other views. Or maybe they've been talking about racism or technology, politics, wildlife, literature, construction, crime, maybe even other subjects. And you can create links to different spaces, so discussions can take place in different views. So that way you're not overwhelming a single page with all this information, but you've nicely organized it. So if you want to look at something relating to a certain topic, you know where to go. What I've done here in the center of the page is I've, on a very high level, referenced the different concepts that have been discussed. So maybe fake news, politicians, role models, diet. And so this at a very high level summarizes what's been talked about. So something you may have noticed on this page is that here I have reference to video, and often the work done on Knowledge Forum is text dominant. You might have a couple pictures, but it's mostly about the text. Here I'll show you an example of a video that I created to introduce this view. So I'll just open that up and play the video.
Hey, my name's Joel. Thanks for checking out Grade 6 News. Feel free to check out any of our articles by topic along the side. Our headline topics are displayed across the top, and just below is a list of all the concepts and ideas that we've been talking about so far this year. So please check it out and let us know what you think.
So that's an example of a video that you can use if you'd rather present your idea either outside of class, if that's a possibility, or in class, being able to say what you want to say without having to type what you want to say. Some of the students that we had talked with talked about the difficulties of typing, that they can't type as fast as they can speak, that they often forget what they want to say if they have to type it out. It's more natural and they can get at more ideas if they talk rather than type. So there might be a number of reasons that we can look at these different types of creating notes. So in the next video, I'll look at one of the views and we'll talk about some of the different ways that we can contribute ideas. So see you in the next video.